All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another edition of Bajillion. This is Bajillion 117. Bajillion 117. Let's go ahead and get the music going this morning. Y'all know I gotta have my writing music. Okay. And we're gonna get back to the story at hand. All right. Today I have on my number one dad t-shirt. And yeah. So yesterday I saw that I have a lot of work to do as far as fixing some things, okay? So this is where we left off yesterday, but coming down this part here is where Suge entered the scene of his party the first time. If you remember, I rewrote that scene without realizing. Well, I kind of did realize, but I didn't know it was going to go this in depth. So I got to basically cut all this and I got to mash it with the other scene. I may have to delete some things, y'all. Okay. I see some. All right, look. I'm only trying to liven up this born ass. So Frederick Senior, his son, is being rude with a cigar lip. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cut all this and hold on, sugar. I'll take it. Frederick Senior, man. Okay, yeah. Sue replied after this short. I think yeah, man, I gotta figure out how to fix this, man. I got myself in a little bit of a quagmire. That's some quicksand. I gotta figure out how to get out of this quicksand, y'all pray for me, please. Seeing Henry walking up, carrying a bucket, the man turned in that direction. This is not a little bit to fix either, man. This is, boy. I'll drink to that, yo, Frederick. Must have scared the hell out of Chili Bear. Well, when you see it on the ground, because I don't know. Alright, are you sure we talking about a gator? Don't you start with all of that now. I know what I saw. Man, this is a lot, y'all. This is a lot. I've had worse. I think. I don't want to say that too early, but you know something. Sure smells good. Said Suge as he stepped over the threshold. So Suge went in the kitchen now? Alright. It ain't gonna be too many pretty mamas. Henry walked with a smile. Okay, what? Oh my god, man. I gotta figure this out. I told you all I went to the gym, not yesterday, but Wednesday. First time going to the gym in a long time because I've been having back pain and all these things. I was actually going to try to fix my back or stretch my back and ended up doing a workout. And my back is not feeling horrible. I mean, the next day it was feeling pretty good. But I'm a little bit sore. Not a lot of sore. Not really. Once you get really up in age, you don't get sore like you used to when you were a kid. You know what I mean? Not me, anyways. As long as you work out a little bit, you won't have to worry about getting sore too much. But anyway, all right, I'm about to do something drastic here. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna fix this. You see how far I'm on page 52 now. Okay, so this is where I stopped yesterday. I might as well turn that black because I'm gonna keep on going now. Yeah, there you go. The sun and boy it might be as good as old man. My God, how do I fix this? Somebody help me. Whatever. Last. This is too much to delete, but it's too much to. Alright, so I see. Okay, I can understand that. But don't you go trying to overdo it. You know your sister would have a fit if something was to happen to you. How's my girl anyway? As Mrs. Wallace referring to Mrs. Sister. No. No, that's his mother. It's his mother. Martha Louise. And I don't think she's really old. You guys, I did this again. I don't even know how long I was talking. Man. Goodness gracious. Why did I pause it? Lord have mercy. Why did it pause? I paused the video, y'all. I paused the video, but let me show you what I did, man. Goodness. My God. Let me back up a little bit. I want you guys to look at this number right here. The number was 28,771. I just deleted 2,605 words, and apparently, for some reason, I paused the video and didn't. I don't even remember pausing the video, y'all. Anyways, I'm gonna back up a second so y'all can see that I'm not joking here. Back it up again. You see the number? Everything that's highlighted right now, I just deleted. I didn't delete. I put in a different document. Anyways, let's go back. I was at 28. If you look right here, is at 28,771. Go back forward. That's where I'm at right now. So I deleted 2,605 words, and y'all didn't get to see any of it. Apparently, I paused it. I don't even know. I don't remember pausing the damn thing. Goodness gracious. I cut out a lot of fat just now, y'all. A lot of fat, but it had some meat in it. And I don't even know how long I was talking. I think it was about 10 minutes worth of talking, maybe longer. I paused. This is the struggle with this camera on and me trying to write and explain things, and it's just it's not too much, man. Anyways, let me get me a sip of water and get to business. I got two videos out there. One, Bajillion 109 and Bajillion 110, where I don't even have sound. The whole video. I left them up so you guys can see me work though. Anyways, no sound. I didn't do it on purpose. Alright, so this is Edna. I'm talking to you two and your brother, girl. She replied. Oh my God. That was a serious kind of knocked me off track a little bit, y'all. Oh boy. That knocked me off track a lot. Mom, who you talking to? Asked Sonia. I'm talking to you two and your brother, girl. She replied without thought. You mean a little thief? You mean the little thief who just stole a taste of banana pudding before running off? Huh? Jacob. The woman turned to see no one behind her. Yeah, so he left. Why didn't you tell me something? Got me in here talking to myself, talking crazier than a bedbug, looking crazier than a bedbug. Lord help me. Lord Jesus help me. I don't know what I'm going to do with you two ungrateful children of mine, with these ungrateful children of mine. Food is ready, Edna announced. Upon hearing this, Jacob and Frederick darted to the long table. Usually Frederick lost every race, but today, with both his father and grandfather present, the boy somehow managed to get a jump. Not without shoving poor Jacob, however. Goodness gracious, y'all. Alright, let me tell y'all the deal right now, man. For the last one, I don't even know, 4 or 5 times sitting now, it's been incredibly. On one hand, I got my creative side wanting to just turn this camera off and go. You know. On another side, it's saying to me, leave the camera on. This is going to be some really good footage in the future. This is my first time writing. There's so many things going on. It's my first time writing with a camera on, a microphone, and my headphones on, all this stuff. And it has the you guys are seeing some real stuff right now. I'm thinking about it's Friday. I gotta go to Greenville. I live in Ridgeville, y'all. And work. I'm not complaining about that though. I'm not complaining about that at all. There's other things going on behind the scenes. You know. But anyways, I want to get to the 15-minute mark today. I just want to make it there. It's been 13 minutes. I got 2 minutes and I can do it. And then I'm thinking about nobody's watching my videos. Who cares? But that other voice is saying they're not watching them now. Not right now. So I'm trying to make it to 15 minutes, y'all. But I just cut out a lot of stuff. And there we go. Hold tight. Okay, so I'm back. I remember to unpause it this time. Yeah, so that's what's up, y'all. That's what's going on right now. I gotta. This writing is not easy. It's not easy. And I'm reading I'm going back and I'm reading the stuff, and I'm like, this is not great. This is not good stuff. But a lot of times when you write, when the first rough draft is completely done, you go back and it's going to be horrible. And I don't want people to be turned off by what I have written so far, because I have great writing out there right now. Save Miss Caroline, I'm getting calls for that. I don't know if it's a scam, might be a scam. People calling me about Netflix deals and all these things right now. I'm like, and I don't want to talk to them because it seems scammy, you know what I mean? And that's one thing with writers, with indie writers, people try to scam you all the time. I've been scammed. Save Miss Caroline, the first time I published that book, it was a company called Tate Publishing. Look them up. You'll see that the owner and his son went to jail for scamming people. I was one of those people, but that taught me a lot. That taught me how to publish, because the company was so bad at publishing. whenever they sent me a copy of my book, and I go through it and I see all these mistakes, like so many mistakes, like the first 10 pages is like 1,000 mistakes in the first 10 pages. I'm like, how is this possible? So from that process, publishing Saving Miss Caroline, the first go around, I do have an original book around here somewhere from Tate Publishing. I think one is right over there. That process taught me how to publish. Well, it taught me that, okay, this publishing thing is possible. I could do it myself. And then I was selling books downtown Charleston. I'm sorry, I'm talking more than I'm writing today, but that's okay. I promise you, I'll get back to the story. Maybe not today, but one day. Maybe Saturday. I was selling books downtown Charleston, and the lady, she was selling books next to me, and she told me she had published her own book, and she told me about this place called, this website called Create Space. And I went on and I got it done. Create Space was bought out by KDP, that's Kindle Direct Publishing. Kindle Direct Publishing merged with Amazon. So now my books, you can find all of my books on Amazon. I apologize again, y'all. This has not been the best session. I'm going to take this back up here. It's not been the best 4 days, I think. So I'm going to take it back up here. We're going to start it right back here next time in the green. And let me show you guys real quick. All the fat that I just trimmed. Okay. I named it Bajillion Fat. This is all the stuff I cut out. Okay. And let me see. This is written January 19th, 2022, so more than 3 years ago. This is all the stuff I cut out. There's a lot of boring stuff, y'all. But it's a meat in here. It's a meat in here. Perhaps change the font when writing first. Yeah, there's some meat in here, so we're gonna have to figure this one out together. Y'all continue to join me. I apologize again. Today was not the best. It was not the best. The last 4 days or so wasn't the best. Maybe longer. But I promise you, once I get my head together, I'm going to be back on this thing like the Soul Train, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to be moving on down the line, dancing on this thing, you know what I mean? Y'all can dance with me. I appreciate y'all stopping by. This is Anthony L. Kelly. Till next time, y'all be safe. Comment, like, subscribe, share. I'm out.